Electric vehicles were supposed to be the future. Cleaner, smarter, cheaper to maintain, and better for the planet. But there's a problem many buyers are only discovering after they already spent their money. EVs are losing value faster than almost any other type of car. A vehicle that costs $60,000 today can lose tens of thousands in value within just a few years. Some owners are shocked when they check resale prices and realize their car is worth far less than they expected. This isn't just normal depreciation, it's accelerated value loss. One big reason is rapid technology upgrades. Every year, new EVs arrive with longer range, faster charging, better batteries, improved software, and updated designs. That makes older models feel outdated very quickly. A 3-year-old EV may already look obsolete compared to a brand new model with better range and features at the same price. Battery anxiety also plays a huge role. Buyers worry about long-term battery health, replacement costs, and degradation. Even if a battery still works fine, fear alone can push resale prices down. Replacing an EV battery can cost thousands, sometimes more than the car's remaining value. That uncertainty makes used buyers cautious. Price cuts from manufacturers also hurt resale values. When automakers suddenly lower the price of new EVs, used prices crash overnight. Owners wake up to discover their vehicle just lost value without them driving a single mile. This has happened multiple times across the EV market. Charging infrastructure and real-world usability matter too. Some buyers realize after ownership that charging isn't as convenient as expected, especially for apartment living, long trips, or cold climates. When expectations don't match reality, resale demand weakens. Another factor is insurance and repair costs. EVs often cost more to repair after accidents because of specialized parts, battery safety requirements, and limited repair networks. Higher insurance premiums make used buyers hesitant. None of this means EVs are bad vehicles. They offer incredible acceleration, quiet driving, lower fuel costs, and advanced technology. For the right lifestyle, they can be excellent. But if you're buying an EV today, you should understand the financial reality. Depreciation may hit harder than traditional cars. If you plan to sell in a few years, your return may be much lower than expected. The smartest buyers look beyond hype. They study long-term ownership costs, battery warranties, resale trends, and charging access before committing. The future of electric vehicles is still bright, but the resale reality is something every buyer should understand before plugging in their money.